Morning. I'm up here today to plant out my garlic. I'm really late with these boys, so better get them in the ground. Oh, they smell lovely. Have a smell, have a sniff. Good stuff. Right, let's dig over the bed, plant them up. Alright, I'm going to plant them in this top bed here. See if I can get 2 rows out of the cloves I've got. Job's a good one. It's always an easy dig up at my plot. The soil is so sandy. It is late in the day to be planting out my garlic. But as the old adage says, better late than never. Marco, strong flavour, good storer. Let's do it. Well, unfortunately, I only managed to plant out 1 row of garlic. Some of the bulbs in the packet had started to rot, so I basically rescued the best out of a bad bunch and I've planted them up. No string line for me, just get them in. Some had started to shoot and sprout in the packet. We'll just see how they get on this year. I've got one other thing that needs to be planted today. Have a guess what it is. This is my flower bed at the end of my plot, and there you can see some old dahlias. Hopefully they will have made it through the winter. There's another, and some more there. However, I have had one die on me. Just there. I pulled it up and all the tubers were rotting. We did have a particularly harsh winter, or a couple of nights where the temperatures dropped down to about -10. And yeah, that kind of temperature will finish off a Dailytuber. So it's fingers crossed with these guys here as to whether they'll come back or not. Anyway, let's get and plant that one out in that spot there. I bought this particular Dailytuber because it says it produces dinner plate sized flowers, and I think they are going to look spectacular on the plot later in the summer. Anyway, let's get into them. There we go, you can see the tubers and the old stems. that'll do it. You can just about see one of the stems poking up there. I'll give it a water and we'll chart its progress later on in the year. Before I go, I do want to show you these guys. This one here, that jobby there, and there's a small one just there. I think you can make him out. Now I'm fairly certain that these are 3 of the allium bulbs that I planted at the back end of last year. Just starting to make an appearance now. And I'm really excited to see what these guys are going to look like in a couple of months' time with those big, elegant pom-pom style flowers at the top of the spikes. The bees are going to love me for it. It's time for a bonfire before I bugger off. So thank you for joining me. If you have, remember to hit the like button, share, subscribe if you want, but most importantly, please do comment down below. And until the next one, bye for now.